Hey, what's up, credit fixers? So in this video tutorial, I'm going to talk to you and show you guys the dispute letter tracker and some of the action buttons and what this dispute letter tracker does. The dispute letter tracker is in two areas. It's on your dashboard as well as your dispute center. When I click dispute center, I'll show you. It's right here. Dispute letter tracker. It's an exact copy of your dispute letter tracker that's on your dashboard. So let's jump right into it. So the dispute letter tracker is designed to house every dispute letter that you generate in the Creditfixrr software. That is what it's designed for. Now, there are a couple action buttons that you'll see on the dispute letter tracker. You have the upload button, you have the edit button where you can edit the letter or preview the letter. You have the download dispute letter button. You have the certified mail or first class mail button. You can also fax, and then you have the delete button if you want to delete a dispute letter and then create a new one. So let's talk about the upload button. So every dispute letter, you can upload documents related to that dispute letter. For example, let's say that you send a dispute letter certified mail with return receipt, and then you receive that return receipt. You can go ahead and upload that return receipt for this specific dispute letter. So let's say this is the return receipt for this dispute letter. We're going to go ahead and click that, and it's uploaded. Now you will always be able to keep track of that. So you don't have to worry about it being storing it locally at home and you lose it or you have to find it. It's right here at your disposal. It's right there. All you have to do is click on it. You can download it. You can delete it and re-upload it. All that. And you can upload multiple files. So let's say you just go ahead and click again. Let's say that, for instance, this was a letter that you got back from Experian, and those files are stored. The next thing you can do is you can edit your dispute letters. Let's say before you send out your dispute letters, you want to edit them. You found a mistake. You go in there and let's say, hey, I want to delete it immediately. This is just an example. Then you just go click update. That letter is updated. So if I were to go back and look at it, it's right there. All right, so that's what the edit button is for. Now, download button, you click this, is going to download your dispute letter so you can take it to your local post office and mail out yourself. The certified mail, you click here, you're able to send it through the system. You can send it through Creditfixrr. All right, and then you have the fax button if you want to fax your dispute letters. So it's going to fax this dispute letter, this collection verification letter round 1, going to Equifax. So you just get the Equifax number, paste it here. If you want to create a cover page, you can. And the letter is automatically uploaded into the fax. So you just, once you do it, just click fax and boom. Another thing that's on the dispute letter tracker is the mail date. When you set this date is to keep track of when you mailed out your dispute letters. So this is for you to actually set. Now, there's one other thing that I want to show you guys. So you guys know that you can send your letters certified mail. You can download them individually. But sometimes you might want to download or send them certified mail in bulk. So if you select a few of these items or all the items that you want to mail out, you can click here. Now you can delete multiple items. You can download multiple items that you select. And you can send bulk certified mail. Okay, so you click that, it's going to grab all your letters and you just click pay in mail, and then it'll mail out your letters. And that is the dispute letter tracker.